Hop in a Cayenne, I was just gliding. I just be styling. I'm on the high end, I'm on the fly end. We bout to fly in.
Beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlene Autumn. If you're new, happy new year. 2018. Oh my gosh, you guys, finally. Okay, first and foremost, I know there are a few things missing on my face, but I will get right into that after I talk to you guys for a little bit. Now you're probably wondering, girl, you late? It's already the 3rd week of January. Where have you been? New Year's been happened now. I know, but the thing, see what had happened was you guys, I kid you not, I was sick. And I mean, you can still kind of hear it in my voice, but not as much as you could before. I tried to film for you guys. I really did. And here's a clip to prove it to you guys. Hey guys. So first of all, I'm sick and my voice has been ridiculous. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? But thank you. Don't take it for granted because it can change in literally a day. It is just like I can't believe this is happening to me right now. See, I told you I was sick, I was coughing. Look, I was a dead person filming. The video that you just saw, I will be refilming it. It's gonna be, well, should I tell you guys? I was editing that video and I was just like, bro, this is trash. Like, I cannot upload this video. My voice was a mess, my face was a mess, everything was a mess. But anyways, I'm here today. I'm doing a new series on my channel, and this is the beginners series, which means I'm going to teach all of you beginners at makeup how to apply foundation, how to contour and conceal, how to do your liner, how to apply lashes, how to everything on your face, so that we can all master this thing called makeup. Because I know that I come on here a lot and I be whipping some stuff up, and some of you guys understand what I'm doing, but others don't, and I don't want to just keep doing that because I want all of my Autumn beauties to know what I'm doing, and I want you guys to do it with me. I don't want you to just be sitting there watching and being like, man, I wish I can do that. I want you guys to do it too. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply an even layer, how to get that flawless base of foundation. Not only that, I'll be telling you guys what primers to use, what types of foundation to get, all that good stuff that goes into applying that silk base. If you guys want to know how to get this flawless beginners foundation look, then keep on watching. All right, Autumn beauty, so before we get started, look, I have had clients that don't even know how to use the makeup. They knew they wanted a beat face, but they didn't know anything else. And it's okay, because if you are one of those clients that don't know anything about makeup but you want to learn, I'm here to help you. In fact, I'm here to help you help yourself. Okay, that makes sense. I'm here to help you help you. Yep, I'm here to help you help yourself. So first things first, what skin type are you? Because that actually helps a lot when putting on foundation and choosing your foundation. So the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what kind of skin do I have? Do I get oily throughout the day around my face? Am I dry? Do I need to apply moisturizer every 5 minutes? Do I have combination skin? Am I dry in some areas and oily in the other areas? Those are all things that you should think about when you're picking out a foundation or before you get into makeup. So me personally, I have oily skin, so I like to use a lot of mattifying products that'll shrink my pores, oil-free things, oil-free primers and oil-free face washes and oil-free everything. So first things first, it is 2018. We are ready to jump into makeup. It's a new you want to start beating your face on your own. You want to learn how to do all this good stuff, and I'm here. I'm gonna help you get there. Before we get to the foundation and making everything one color, we're gonna go over primers. And primers help that perfect skin tone, that perfect foundation layer, that new 2018, it helps that stay on. So as the oily skin gal, one of my favorite primers is the NYX Angel Veil. This does a good job at controlling oil. Although I do think that there are better out there, but this isn't a bad start. Another one that I like to use is the Benefit Porefessional. This also helps a lot when controlling my pores and making them look smaller so that the foundation looks flawless. Today I'll be using my NYX Angel Veil. I like to focus it a lot in the places that I get really oily, which is my T-zone, and this is the T-zone because it looks like a T. I don't know why they call it that, y'all, but look, it's called a T-zone. I know you guys are new to this and you're just like, what? But Trust me, you'll catch on. Just watch 1,000 more videos after mine. Primer is on. This primer does give you a little bit of a white cast, a little bit, but it's okay. Now for the fun part, foundation. Look, if you don't do anything else right, if you are oily and you go get a hydrating foundation, if you are dry and you go get a mattifying foundation, if you don't do anything right, please do this one thing for me. Get the right shade, get the right color. Get the right color, because those other concerns, we can fix that, but we cannot fix the color. So get the right color. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to get your right color, go to Sephora. There are professionals there to help you 24, no, I think it's from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. There are professionals there to help you. Go to MAC, go to places that people professionally do makeup. And I know what you're thinking, well, Charlene, what if I want to get drugstore foundation? There's a professional there to help me. You're right. And if you do get drugstore foundation, which isn't a bad thing at all, I have plenty of drugstore foundations. How do you think I started? Then one trick that I was taught by Auntie Jackie is to put it on your chest. And that actually helps a lot because your chest is supposed to match your face. Another tip, if you didn't know about foundation, is that it's supposed to match your neck. So if you're out by yourself and you're at CVS or Walgreens or any drugstore, just take a little bit of that foundation and rub it on your neck and try to match it from there. So all of that talking to make sure you get the right foundation color. Today for foundation, I'm using my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation. If you're a beginner, you might not know this, but there are foundations that are compatible with your skin type. So that's why I said it's good to know your skin type. If you have oily skin, there are foundations that are mattifying that'll help you keep your face matte and non-oily throughout the day. If you have dry skin, there are hydrating foundations that'll help you keep your skin more, you know, hydrated and not so dry throughout the day. All right, here goes the fun part. Now, if you're a beginner, one thing you don't want to do is have a cake face. You don't want to put too much foundation on. If the foundation that you have has a pump on it, do one pump first. Start with one pump at a time, because the last thing you want is a layer, like a thick layer of foundation on that's unblendable and looks a hot mess. Unfortunately, I can't show you that example because I have a little tube that I have to like squeeze, but what I'll do is squeeze out a little bit, just like, well, yeah, that's kind of a little bit, about this size, smaller than a dime, not even dime size, smaller than a dime, okay? Because foundation goes a long way depending on what you use. I just squeezed a little bit on the back of my hand and I took my other finger and I'm gonna dot this around my face. This is what your face should look like when you're, you know, done with that smaller than a dime size little squeeze or whatever. But like I said, if you have a pump, then just do that one pump at first. We have two options. We can blend this out with a beauty blender or with a brush. Now, my favorite is the beauty blender because I feel like it just makes things more flawless and more skin-like too in a way. You can use the brush. It can do the same thing, but I know the brush can make it look more kind of full coverage in a way, whereas the brush, it kind of soaks up some more product, but it's completely up to you. So I'm gonna do this side with the brush and this side with the beauty blender so you guys can kind of see. You might not be able to tell the difference on camera, but it does make a difference in real life. First, the brush. I'm using a BH Cosmetic brush, number 116. Look, this brush is used and abused. Look at this. Look, the whole handle's peeling off, bruh. So as a beginner, you can either swirl, which is like going in circles, or you can push and go down. So it's like push down, push down, push down, push down, but it's on your face, so like that. And this motion is called stippling. And when I get to my neck, this is when I start swirling it. All right, so that's one side. You can kind of see how it looks. Not too bad. I feel like this covered a lot of my problem areas. I don't really have problem areas because my skin, luckily, is really nice. So this is how much I would use on a regular anyways. Now I'm gonna do the other side with my beauty blender. And you're gonna do the same motion, like the stippling motion. By the way, this is a Real Techniques beauty blender. this did put a nice even layer on my face, the foundation. Another thing, foundations, they can come in light coverage, medium coverage, and full coverage. If you have more problem areas and like more dark spots, then maybe the medium to full coverage might be good for you. If you have fairly clear skin, then a light coverage should suit you fine. Like I said, this is for beginners, so I know you guys don't know much about makeup and you know how to choose it, so I'm kind of just sharing tips along the way so you can get a good idea of what to pick out when you do buy a foundation. And yeah, this is how you apply foundation. It's very easy, not too hard, don't overthink it. The more you do it, the better you'll get. Now, once you've mastered applying foundation, you are ready to move on to the next step, which is highlighting and contouring. And I will tell you guys and show you guys how to do that in the next video. So, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Like I said, this is a series for the beginners that already know how to apply their foundation. You guys can skip this video. Look, I'm here for you. Look, take what you need, use what you need. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Like this video, comment, tell me what you guys thought. Any questions that you have, comment them down below. If I didn't get to it, I'll definitely answer it in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, babies.
Know that we don't go to sleep. We stay up all night. Got me 2 or 3, the exotic type. Everything high, you see the stars.